Gonna put a couple straps on this thing so it can't move. And then I'll get out of the middle of the street. Sometimes you just have to make do with what you got. Enough time to do that, so we'll just do it a different way. fun part of doing this kind of stuff. You gotta figure things out as you go. Little trick when you have a binder that doesn't want to cooperate. You can use your winch bar. We got these dock ramps. What I did to get these things secure on this portion so they wouldn't flop, I just put a 1,000-pound strap. And then the safety chains they have, I just zip tied them and red bungees. I got a chain, the binder coming up to pull down, and then another chain and binder. Got the same thing on the other side. Then a strap over the top, and a couple more straps over the top on this one. On this one I have a strap over the lower one, and just the same thing. I got a chain binder pulling one direction, chain binder pulling back the other. Plug. One from Santa Fe, Idaho.